Hey beauties! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we want to show you one of our ideal coats, lavender color, with an unusual asymmetrical four-part and original darts. In addition, I came up with an original way of placing the darts. They create two parallel lines along with the line for entering the pocket. In this video, we will show you how the collar is arranged, how the coat is perceived from the inside, and talk about what elements make things graceful and thin. The coat is a little oversized and free. As Coco Chanel said, elegance begins where freedom is. We unbutton our coat and now we will show it on the table. Pay attention to the collar. We tried to make it both beautiful and comfortable. I promise that soon I will make a separate video about collars. Write in the comment section if you want this video to come out. We are planning to do a masterclass on the collar. We take off Irina's coat and now I will finally show you how it works. Please focus on the collar. If we fasten all the buttons, then the collar turns out to be beautiful. But now modern fashion suggests us that the collar can start from the straight neckline. But then you need to make sure that there is a straight line behind the collar. Но тогда надо следить за тем, чтобы между воротничками вот здесь вот была вот такая прямая линия. Это очень тоже стильно. I came up with this detail by myself. If you put your hand in your pocket, you can feel the soft fabric. This side is cut out along the pocket. This part with the seam roll is done 4 to 5 millimeters. In a coat with a collar, wool trims cannot be made. I often see modern coats that are made in Russia and that are made in Italy, and there is a woolen trim here. This one is not right and it is not beautiful. Edging can be when the coat is collarless. The neckline and immediately lining are also wrong. When the collar is there, it is comfortable to put on without peeping. The lining should start straight from the collar. If you had bought our course about coats, then you know all the basic rules about coats. I explain you all the details about this coat. It is not the last coat I will talk about. I want to teach you how to make a good collar in our future masterclass. If you want to order a coat from us or buy our fabrics, write to us and we will help. And now when we finish with this coat, I want to go a little personal here. I want to explain to you why coats is so important for me. In fact, my profession is to sew a coat. I learned to sew dresses and everything else by accident. To say the truth, I only sewed a coat. I really love autumn and that's why I love to sew and wear a coat. It can be long, it can be midi, all coats are beautiful in my opinion, and I believe that every woman's wardrobe should have several coats, only that is comfortable. I think that all of us should have coats for every occasion, for example, coat for a restaurant, coat for everyday wearing, coat for work, and etc. Please take a look at this gorgeous coat again. That's it for today. I'm really excited for our next video about colors. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Also, don't forget to buy our code courses to make sure you know everything. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!